Hi, good evening everyone. Isang magandang gabi po and welcome to our live podcast. Ito po ang News Talk with Justin Dizon. And for tonight, of course, here in News Talk, pinag-uusapan natin yung mga latest events, community events, and mga topics na anything na interesting. At alam naman natin, usong-uso ho ngayon sa marami nating mga ka-region dito po sa Central Luzon. Not just in Central Luzon actually, yung mga nasa running era. Diba? So, sino ba dyan yung mga ang go-to app ninyo sa inyong social media ay Strava? Sabi nila, ganyan daw ngayon eh. Yan daw yung uso ngayon na kesa sa may Instagram ka ba? May Facebook ka ba? May Strava ka ba? O, di ba? At dito po sa Pampanga, alam natin, of course, we have Clark Freeport, no? Isa po sa mga running destination dito po sa atin sa Central Luzon at maraming nagpupunta dyan. And speaking of running events, meron pong papalapit na running event at nakikita nyo na, hindi ko na patatagalin, nandito yung poster. Ayan, pag-usapan natin yung Legacy Run ng St. Scholastica's Academy sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Kailan ito at ano yung aasahan natin? Makakasama natin dito sa ating podcast ngayon ang kanilang co-chair, si Shelly Musni at ang consultant ng SSA Legacy Run, si Kim Yambao. Isang magandang gabi to our guest and welcome dito sa ating live podcast.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Hello, Sir
Hi.
Justin. Hello, Kim.
Hi, good evening everyone. Good evening po, Sir Justin. Hi, Sir.
Ayan, isang magandang gabi. Oo. Ayan, na-sorry pa ako. Guys, na-realize ko lang, pinsan ko pala si Kim, di ba? Ngayon pa kami
Yes.
nagkita, di ba? Mga
Magkamag-anak.
Minalenyo, di ba? O yan.
Yes.
So shout out po sa mga viewers natin din sa Minalin, Pampanga. Let's talk about this Legacy Run. When is this happening and saan? I know it's sa Clark. Saan sa Clark? Siguro,
Yes.
Shelly.
So first, yung SSA Legacy Run is a project of the batch 2002 of San Fernando, St. Scholastica San Fernando, Pampanga, and it will happen on July 19 sa Clark Mimosa. So this coming Sunday na yon, sir.
Ayan, very exciting, And I understand nasa phase kayo ng pagre-release ng mga race kits. Tama ba? So
Yes.
ano yung mga details na pwede nating i-share regarding sa race kits?
So with the race kits po,
Kami na lang yung first day of claiming of the race kits. Very fresh lang kanina sa SSA Gate 3. But tomorrow there will be a second day of release and claiming sa sir, tama. Sa Nathaniel sa OG Road. So Kim will be there and
Yes.
it will happen between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Yan, bago natin puntahan yung details ng race kit claiming, let's talk about first this wonderful event. Pang ilang taon na nga ba ito ng Legacy Run? Kim?
actually I think this is the third for Saints Co, pero it's the first for SSA Legacy Run.
Okay.
So for Saints Co, we have organized 3 runs na yata, if I'm not mistaken. Pero the Legacy Run itself is the first time for our batch also. Initiated by our batch. Pero we are planning sana if parang katulad sa ibang schools, if it can be done yearly, yun sana yung
Yes.
plan namin to push the Legacy Run yearly.
When we say legacy, mabigat na word no? Of course, we all know that as mga graduates ng Saints Co, you are very much ang tawag dito, proud of your alma mater, no? Ano yung legacy na gusto ninyong i-impart at sabi mo nga sana ituloy din sa mga susunod na panahon?
Mhm. Go,
Shelly,
She.
siguro.
Yes. So as mentioned by Kim sir, it is the first time to have a title name talaga, legacy run ng SSA. So the goal is quite ambitious to have it yearly. We're hoping na the first goal we have now is to yung lahat ng alumni to be part of this
Mhm.
legacy, as well as the friends, the family members, lahat, everybody, it's open to public. So we want to create a community as well to strengthen yung SSA legacy na we all are graduate from.
Yes. Napakaganda na family activity pala ito. Hindi lang siya limited doon sa mga graduates o mga alumni ng SSA.
Oo.
Pero sa mga nanonood po ngayon, sorry kasi sold out na, I believe, di ba? Pwede pa bang humabol o hindi na?
Unfortunately, hindi na po. Kasi we have limited slots. Tapos gusto po namin ma-provide lahat ng mga included sa mga race kits nila. So since this will be happening on Sunday, baka hindi na po namin ma-entertain yung iba pa. Though marami po, actually, mas marami po yung
Mm-mm.
last minute na naghahabol. Yun nga lang po, sabi namin sayang kasi hindi sila nakapag-register agad. We would have extended the registration or additional slots were open sana if we just knew na marami pang magre-register.
Mm-mm. And I'm sure naman mauulit ito with the of course with the yung optimism at yung purpose ng event ika nga at yung grit ng mga organizers kasi I know you guys are very busy no handling this, and of course hindi lang naman ito din yung ginagawa, pero ano ba yung kaibahan or ano yung aside of course from promoting fitness amongst the members of the Saints Co community, ano pa yung purpose nitong Legacy Run?
Well, first, it's a family-friendly fun run. So we don't want any, although we have a 16 km, just to let you know, we have different categories, sir. May 3 km, 5 km, 10 km, and 16 km. So as you can see, very diverse siya, from a friendly fun run to a little competitive, yung mga medyo experienced runner na. So they're part of the 16 km. So
Yeah.
we're trying to reach out sa all kinds, all aspects, from a friendly run to a little competitive run. So partly talaga, sir, we strongly believe na parang it time has come na magkaroon na talaga ng legacy run for Saints Co. Marami ng attempt before, but then we want to be ambitious. We want to do it in Clark talagang
Yeah.
para premium yung dating, 'di ba? So we strived hard for this. Sana, well, yung support na receive namin is very overwhelming naman. As much as we want to accommodate everybody, kaso because of logistics and ayaw naming mapahiya na mabitin yung iba. So we
Yes.
just customize it so ano kaya namin. As he mentioned also.
Before we
Mm-mm.
proceed pala, Karen ko is here, I think she will be
Yes.
joining us also in this conversation, good evening, Miss Karen, and welcome sa ating live podcast. Yan. Miss Karen, can you hear us? I think she's still on mute. Ayan, medyo naka-mute.
Naglag.
Nakamute.
Ayan, she's on mute. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah.
Mute.
It's muted.
Muted.
Naka-mute siya.
The message
Well,
ko
I
siya.
can't hear you.
Ayan,
Sound check.
okay na. Sound check.
Mhm.
Sound check.
Ayan. Hi, Miss Karen. Good evening. Oh. Miss
Wala.
Karen, can you hear me, Miss Karen? Ayan, medyo naghang siya. Sige, balikan natin pag
Yes.
naging okay. Okay. So we talk about the race, no, at nabanggit nga na this is the first time. So this is also the first time that SSA is having a fun run that will be held inside Clark, tama ba?
Yes.
Correct.
Oh,
sir.
Very exciting. So ano yung aasahan nitong mga runners? Ano yung mga rinedy ninyo? 'Di ba yung mga usually yung mga runs na madalas may mga pakulo ay kanya-kanyang gimmick, may mga something different or something fun na talagang i-offer
Mhm.
nila. What would guys be expecting pagdating ng July 19?
Ako po ang masasabi ko lang, hindi sila magugutom during
Uy,
the run.
masaya yan, masaya.
Yeah.
Oo.
So, opo,
Mm.
may mga booths po kaming naka-setup since it's a family run, family
Yeah.
fun run. May mga booths po kaming naka-setup every I think 2 kilometers ata or nandun naman po sa Mapian. So, every now and then merong mga booths na mag-o-offer ng food to nourish them for while walking, running.
Mm-mm.
So, hindi ko na muna po babanggitin kung ano yung mga food, surprise na lang kung ano yung mga nandun. Pero I'm sure it's more than enough for all the runners.
Napakasaya niyan. Ako yun yung mga gusto ko pag may mga running event yung madadaanan mo tapos magsa-stop ka ba, 'di ba? So,
Yes.
parang meron kang
Oo.
recharge ika nga. Miss Karen
Mm.
is here. Subukan natin. Miss Karen, can you hear us?
Hello, yan. Okay na.
Yan, okay na.
Good evening and welcome.
Yan, yes.
Yan. Oo, bumati ka muna sa mga
Hello.
nanonood sa atin, Miss Karen.
Hello, good evening everyone. Ayun po.
Yan, oo. So we're talking about itong race, no? Ito ba isang ika nga benefit event like the proceeds of this event paano planong tumulong dun sa community ng Saints ko?
Okay. Yung pong run po na ito na fundraising po na naging initiative po namin is we wanted to have the legacy project po for the school. Ayan. So, may mga naka-line up po kami kung ano po yung mga projects. So, ayun po, doon po namin ibubuhos yung pong proceeds po part of the proceeds po ng Legacy Run.
Ayan, napakaganda rin na hindi lang sila basta makakapag-exercise at hindi lang sila makakapag-enjoy with their family. Part of the proceeds din nitong Legacy Run ay makakatulong dun sa community ng Saints ko na alam naman natin malaki rin yung na-impart sa atin. Ako po yung mga kapatid ko kasi dalawang babae galing din sila sa Saints ko kaya very familiar din ako at alam ko na malaki yung naitulong ng Saints ko sa ating community ano. So, let's talk about yung race kit claiming. Ano yung kailangan dalhin ng mga magka-claim bukas diyan sa Nathaniel's?
Ayan. Ayun sir, yung lahat po ng mga mag-claim po ng kits nila. So kailangan po nila yung QR po na na-receive nila from their email po. And then ID po nila. So yun po yung mga kailangan nilang i-present to receive their kits po.
Okay. And etong mga IDs, isa-isa
Wala
natin.
po kayo, sir.
Ayan, can you hear me now? Ayan, okay na ba?
Yes po.
Wala. Okay na?
Okay na.
Ayan, okay, sige. Ayan, so isa-isahin natin. Nakalagay dito bago tayo magtapos. Ayan, present one valid government issued ID. I'm sure lahat naman ng mga nag-register nabasa na rin ito pero maganda, remind lang po namin kayo yung QR code. So, kailangan ba printed or kahit screenshot pwede na, no?
Yes po, pwede na pong screenshot.
Okay, kahit screenshot po. Ayan, and of course, ito yung mga, for another runner naman, pwedeng magpadala ng valid ID rin nung participant. Ayan. And kung namang minor, ayan, kailangan kasama po yung parent or legal guardian and same requirement din. So, tomorrow na lang yung last day, tama ba, ng claiming or meron pa tomorrow?
On the race day itself, sir, an hour before, open kami for mga last minute claim.
Ayan. So, para host dun sa mga hahabol pa, pwedeng humabol, pero maganda, masukat nyo muna din para ma-feel ninyo, ika nga, di ba? So, ma'am, bago tayo magtapos, Ma'am Shelly and of course, Kim, Karen, ito, please invite everyone, your parting message sa ating mga viewers and of course, dun sa members ng Saints Co community.
Yes, ako na muna po, just to clarify, yung pong race kit claiming tomorrow will be at the back of Nathaniel's. Hindi
Okay.
po sa mismong Nathaniel's. Meron pong parang maliit na road doon at the back. So, yun po, to everyone who's registered, and dun po sa mga hindi naka-register pero may family member po na naka-register, you are all welcome to join us on Sunday. Yun nga lang po, yung mga hindi naka-register, hindi makaka-run ng kasabay namin. So, we'll all see you there sa family run, and I hope we all enjoy ang aming first ever legacy run for our batch also. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Kim. Yeah. Shelly?
Okay. So, yes, see you all on Sunday, and thank you from the bottom of our hearts talagang for the support na binigay niyo sa amin. It's truly unexpected. And on Sunday, expect familiar faces, and we assure you that there will be more fun-filled activities aside lang sa running. So, I hope you will enjoy, and see you all.
Yeah, and of course, Karen. Miss Karen, it's your turn. Yeah.
Wala na naman.
And hello, Miss Karen.
Ay, hello, sorry, wala
Yan.
talaga.
Okay.
Ayan.
Sige,
Hello.
sige po, it's your turn. Yeah. Your message to our viewers and to the members of Saints Co community.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga nag-support po sa SSA Legacy Run. To all Classicans, and then sa admin po ng Saints Co, and also to the other runners and clubs who joined us. Thank you also, and to all our sponsors. I-detail na lang po namin sa mismong event, but we're very grateful to have them. Ayun po, see you all on Sunday, and we're very excited to see you.
Ayan. So, mag-condition na yung mga runners, and very exciting itong SSA Legacy Run. Ngayon pa lang, I would like to congratulate po. Ayan. Ayan, mag-condition na yung mga runners, and kailangan ready sila. And ngayon pa lang, gusto ko kayong i-congratulate sa batch 2002, di ba?
Yes.
Na nagse-celebrate ng kanilang Jubilee year this year. And more powers, more activities pa para sa ating hindi lang sa Saints Co community, para sa Pampanga, dahil masaya pag maraming event dito sa ating lugar. Maraming salamat, and I'll see you on Sunday. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Leslie.
sir. Thank you for the time.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Ayan po, mga ka-region, we were able to tawag dito, discuss about itong SSA Legacy Run. So gusto ko lang sabihin na yung CLTV 36 po ay official media partner ng SSA Legacy Run. Kaya kung kayo po ay merong event at gusto rin makipag-partner sa amin, pwede po kayo mag-message aming Facebook page at mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para po i-promote natin yung event ninyo. After all, channel po ninyo ang CLTV 36. Muli, this is Justin Dizon. Thank you for joining us at News Talk. Maraming salamat. Have a good night.